Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class. In our previous class, we were reading the chapter and we were understanding the story of the chapter. We had completed our first paragraph of the chapter. So, first, we will recall the passage. Here are the pictures. First one is gardener. Gardener, a person who take cares of the garden. Second one is sunshine. Here is a picture of golden sunshine, the bright sunshine. Next picture, a boy is there who is dreaming. In this picture, you can see here is a garden. The garden is in a school. So, in this chapter, there was a magic garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very beautiful, and there were five types of flowers. Which one was that? That are sunflowers, then roses, marigolds, poppies, pansies. Then the bright sun was there. The bright sunshine was falling on the flowers, and the flowers were dancing and they were happy. They were talking to each other and they were telling to each other that they were having hundreds of gardeners and they were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. They said, "We love all the children, but they love the dear little ones most." Why? Because they bring water for the thirsty roots of the flower. Here you can see watering cans, beautiful and very pretty pink color watering can you can see here. Then, yes, said the marigolds, the boys are good to us, they dig the ground so well. Then Marigold said to the birds that the boys are really good for them also. Why? Because they dig ground for the flowers. We love the little children, said the tiny bird. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Then one little bird also say that the boys are good for them. Why? Because they bring food for the birds. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." Then all the flowers were talking to each other and they were saying that they should work hard to make themselves very beautiful. So the children will come there soon. The dresses of the flower means the petals of the flowers. The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." That the sun also very excited, and the sun also said that I will also help you. Whom? The sun will also help the flowers. Why? Because the sun will also feel very happy when the children will come and run in the golden sunshine. Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Suddenly, what happened? The school children start coming out of the school building. The children were coming and they were laughing and singing. So the flowers stopped their songs because they want to listen to the children. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. One child came, and he said, "Oh, look at the sunflower, very pretty." So sunflower feel very proud and it lifted its head very high. Another child said, "I love the marigold." In its golden dress, the marigold smiled happily. Then another child came and he said that he liked the marigolds. Why? Because it has golden dress, golden petals. So the marigold feel very happy and marigold smiled. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. Now you can see this garden is a magic garden. This garden was a magic garden. Why it was a magic garden? Because it had fairies. The fairies came, they danced and they sang sweet songs. And that song, who can listen? That song only children could listen. They could only hear. After a time, the fairies came out, dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. After some time, what happened? The fairies came out, they started dancing and they were talking with the children. Their dresses were made of what? Flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. One night, what happened? The magic garden was very quiet, very silent. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. The flowers and birds all were in dreams. They were dreaming about whom? They were dreaming about the children's. What children? What they were dreaming? They were dreaming that the children are coming back and they are playing and they are enjoying in the garden. So hope you have understand this chapter and you are enjoying it. Again you will read at home, okay, and you will learn the new word, the spelling of the new words. Bye bye.